BBC channel used to vote this as the best street food snack in the world. What is that? Banh Mi in Vietnam, and I'm showing you where's like the top most rated on TripAdvisor. My banh mi.
This is a USDA choice blade steak that we import from America because the US beef has got great flavor and it's pen fed and grain fed, so it adds to the flavor of the beef. The beef comes with a piece of silver skin on the outside, which tends to be a little bit tough. So we are very cautious about this, and being concerned, what we do is we take and we trim the beef so it looks like this. We remove the silver skin. I've been in Vietnam for 27 years. I really like the country. I moved here to Vietnam along with my son, Bobby, who is now a celebrity chef of sorts. I was here by myself and I thought, I should really do something to better convey Vietnam's food to the public and do a real quality food that the Vietnamese really is, but in many cases has been degraded over years. So we took basically infused the finest ingredients and the spices to make a real banh mi, like the banh mi that the French introduced to Vietnam in the 19th century. Things have changed because originally the banh mi had roasted meats, chicken, pork. A lot of places in the streets are doing a compressed luncheon meat of some sort, okay? That is not authentic. What is authentic is something with a real roasted meat. And so we thought we'd come back and resurrect the original banh mi, and that's why we're here. Making a sandwich, you do not have to be a rocket scientist. It's like with any food. It's really about the ingredients. So we use the finest ingredients, and that's why we serve the most famous and best quality banh mi in Vietnam. Now we open on weekdays, we open at 9 o'clock and we close at 9 in the evening. And on weekends we open at 10 and close at 8.
The beef is very juicy. I've tried hundreds of banh mi in Vietnam, and this is one of the best one. It's authentic. If you ever try baguette in Paris, it's that version. It's a perfect symphony of the texture. It's crunchy from the outside and soft in the inside. If you feel that one with different kind of sauces, it gives the authentic taste of banh mi. This is why it's my favorite place. This is the great combination between the West and the East culinary. You have the imported beef, crunchy Vietnamese banh mi, and all the herbs from Vietnam. So enjoy.